PAX Gold is likely to fall 4.8% by July 25, according to coin data flow. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. Right now, PAX Gold has slipped by 1.4% in the past 24 hours and is holding around $4,044.90. Let's shift to the analysts' projections. Coin data flow says we could witness a decline to $3,851.54 tomorrow, about 4.8% below current level. 30 rates expects PAX Gold could fall to $3,970, an estimated drop of 1.9%. According to coin price forecast, it might be heading lower toward $4,041, a decline estimated at 0.1%. Another estimate by Gov Capital Collector suggests PAX Gold could edge upward to $4,093.18, a projected increase near 1.2%. Finally, Crypto Predictions aims for $4,377.81 by July 25 with a rise of 8.2%. This is the best return scenario we covered. Forecasts are in. Let's see what the data says next. After reviewing all 5 projections, here's the numerical breakdown. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a decrease of 4.8% and an increase of 8.2%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, Crypto Predictions offers the top projected return with 8.2% gain in value by tomorrow. As a result, you could earn between $1 and $82 for every $1,000 you invest. From a volatility perspective, CoinPrice Forecast's forecast holds a 67.1% probability of accuracy. By collecting the forecasts side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. The consensus scenario places PAX Gold roughly unchanged near $4,066.71. Let's go through it step by step. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to increase by 0.5% by tomorrow. In line with that same percentage, your capital could also register an increase. On a $1,000 investment, that could amount to about $5 gained. The consensus forecast carries a probability of roughly 62.6% of playing out. To sum up this section, let's see what analysts predict for the 3-day horizon. Coin data flow points to further downside potential. The view from 30 rates is bullish for the short term. Coin price forecast highlights that PAX Gold may continue drifting sideways, lacking momentum either way. The forecast from Gov Capital Collector points to a push higher for PAX Gold. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. When the different perspectives are blended, the consensus forms an upward projection for PAX Gold in the short run. So, the majority outlook signals PAX Gold could trend upward. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts went live. Let's see how they looked against the actual price. Ultimately, the actual closing price was $4,043.30. 3 out of 5 analysts ended up correct about the trend. Highest accuracy score went to Gov Capital Collector. Let's put all the pieces in place. 2 predictions matched the daily session span. As for ROI, several analysts ended in profit, with coin data flow showing the strongest gain at 1.6%. Here's the daily summary: how each analyst's forecast performed in real numbers. Looking at performance, the forecast probability for Traders Union was 64%, with accuracy and 0.5% ROI. Take a moment to observe how each forecast actually turned out. Here's how tomorrow's projections look for other cryptocurrencies compared with PAX Gold. In this ranking, PAX Gold falls below the leader as Cosmos holds 8.1% expected performance. Here we're comparing PAX Gold with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The full dataset is already online on my website. If you're still here, thank you. And if this gave you value, please like the video before you head out. Until next time.